In this video, we will cover how to perform a static calibration on a DirectCommand Granular spinner spreader on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season and grower. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration. Select the correct product. Press the green check mark. Acknowledge the warning. Press the rate button. Press the bin icon. Press the spreader control button. Press the static calibration button. Acknowledge the warning. Select the correct conveyor to calibrate. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the dispense amount. Once you are ready to catch the amount of product, press Start. Once the system has completed dispensing product, press Next. Press the numeric keypad button and enter in the actual dispensed amount. And press the green check mark. Press Next. The calibration is now complete. Press the green check mark. Press the green check mark again. And we have now covered how to perform a static calibration on a DirectCommand Granular spinner spreader on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.